Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing a beautiful juice with you. It's a jalapeno, cucumber, kale, pineapple juice, perfect for spring when all of the mucus comes out of your body and when all of the allergies start to come up. This juice heats up the body and allows that mucus to be expelled and allows those channels to be cleared so that you have an easier transition from winter to spring. So it's March now, we're just starting to transition, and you may be feeling those early onset in your eyes, in your nose, in your throat. And this juice is perfect for that purpose, but also it's delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you what I've got here. Kind of pan down here. All right, so I've got one, you can use more, but I've got one English cucumber, about 4 to 5 leaves of kale, one jalapeno. It's important to take all of the seeds out. And then I have half a pineapple here. You can always double this to make it more if you're making juice for more people, but this is just for me to sip on today. So that's what we're gonna be working with. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the Omega 8006 and we'll give this juice a whirl. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks so much for joining me today. Okay, so that was pretty easy to juice actually. I forgot to warn you though, when you juice pineapple, it does become very foamy. So you may have seen in the video how the initial screen that I have on top of the, I'll show you. So the little screen that I have here, this part will get quite foamy. So you may need to kind of move it around to allow the juice to come through because a lot of the pulp from the pineapple will still come through. But let me go ahead and show you this juice I've got here. It smells sweet. You can't smell the jalapeno. It's not bad. It's really benefits from having the pineapple and the cucumber. Those cooling aspects will help with the jalapeno going down a little bit easier. So let me just show you as I pour this, and then we'll do it a little taste test. So we've got, see how much we got. All right, so we've got a really nice result here, and let's go ahead and give it a try. Ooh, it's not too spicy. If you have a higher spice tolerance, you could even put in another jalapeno, but that is just enough to kind of get a little bit of tingle here, up in the nasals. You might start to get a little bit of a drip. That's great. Blow it all out, and hopefully you'll have a nice transition from winter to spring. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me. Drink your juice. Have a lovely day. Love you very much. Bye-bye.